What up, y'all? Tim Z here, back at it again, like you can always expect. Know what I mean? And today I'm gonna share a real quick tip with you guys. It's gonna be a quick video on how you can save money and get a lot of O-rings for your TRM thumb studs for cheap. I'm talking about the TRM Neutron, Neutron 2, Atom, whatever, all of them, all right, that have thumb studs. And so here's an O-ring, okay? This is just gonna be the quick video, so don't mind me. There you go. Outer diameter is 6 millimeters for this O-ring, right? Okay. Now we're gonna measure the thickness, and we got 1.5 millimeters in thickness, all right? And now the inside inner diameter is hard to get, but the inner diameter is 3 millimeters on this O-ring, okay? So when you go on Google, all you have to search up is O-ring 6mm, 3mm, 1.5 mm, all right? You can just type in those things and it will show up, it will populate your search with a bunch of O-rings usually. So just search O-ring 6mm, 3mm, 1.5 mm, and you'll be good. You'll see a bunch of cheap places. Some of them are for like body jewelry or anything like that. And you'll get to pick any color you want. They even have glow in the dark or whatever, everything you want, okay? You're not gonna have to overpay anywhere else for TRM O-rings for your thumb studs. So remember, you're looking for O-rings, 6 millimeters outer diameter, AKA OD. You're looking for 3 millimeters inner diameter, which is ID, and you're looking for thickness of 1.5 millimeters, okay? And just go search it up on Google. You're gonna see them real cheap. You're gonna see all the assortment and things you want. And that's all there is to it, all right? That's just a quick video. You wanna hear more, see more, subscribe. Yeah, so until next time, Tim Z out.